This project began for us in 2015. Myself and the rest of the engineering team, we were asked to evaluate the current RF technology that we're using and look at different opportunities to enhance that technology.
The migration path moving from the MC9090s to the TC72s was due to the fact that Microsoft is no longer supporting their operating system, so they've gone into life with all support for Microsoft CE and Windows Mobile. Thus, we needed to go into an Android unit.
Radial has been using our software for well over a decade on the Zebra technology devices. Most recently, they've moved to the TC72, and with that move, they've implemented Avanti Velocity.
We initially started small pilots at several sites. We saw positive results and decided to transition 2 of our largest sites in North America to 100% Androids, and we're hoping to then scale this across the entire network.
The Zebra TC72 is a very intuitive device. It's very similar in terms of form factor to a consumer-grade cell phone. So it's very easy for a picker to pick up and learn to use. Yet it has additional features. It's a rugged device, so it can withstand drops, as well as it has an integrated scanner. It also has the benefits over a consumer-grade device that you can swap out batteries, so this device can run 24/7 without ever needing a charge.
The impact on the operation since its implementation has been a reduced length of time for new associates to get fully up to speed. We have seen an increase in efficiencies from our picking staff. The old technology we had was cumbersome, physically larger, a little heavier. The new Zebra scanners are much easier to use. They look like a smartphone. Touchscreen, no physical keys on the device. Simple scanning of barcodes is better with the new equipment. 1 click of the gun versus 3 or 4 clicks of the old RF gun.
So la diferencia con las pistolas RF ahora ya no tienes que usar tus manos para puchar las teclas porque es un producto nuevo, es pura pantalla y hace todo el trabajo más fácil.
I think the no keyboard is easier, so it won't get like confusing, like, oh, what all these buttons do. And you just go on the floor and you scan your item and then go to the next one without having to use the keyboard. It's easier to train people on the new one because it is like a smartphone and they are familiar with that.
So mirando en la pistola RF que tiene la opción de inglés o español en la primera pantalla, para mí me puso feliz porque puedo usar mi lenguaje español para hacer mi trabajo más y continuar hacer mi trabajo en español.
It makes it easier to bring in new associates. The end goal is to be able to attract the Swahili, Cuban populations, very large in the city, Spanish-speaking folks. That just gives us better opportunity to hire more people and not be hamstrung by, oh, I don't have a trainer that speaks Swahili. As we get closer to our peak season and we're looking to bring on folks, having that opportunity to switch to their native language, that's going to be big.
With the inbound process, we've seen an uptick in put away percent per associate and how many carts they're able to put away in an hour. We've had to actually rebalance the way we run our department between the prep and the put away side to make sure that we can keep them enough work.
Our clients have increasing volumes as more orders shift to e-commerce, and we need to process those orders quickly and correctly to get them out the door to get to the customer. And so what we've seen with the Zebra Androids and the Avanti Velocity platform is we've been able to actually remove steps in the process to make the picking process more efficient. So we've been able to remove 14 steps, touch points that we call, that's led to around a 24% reduction in total cycle time per pick transaction using this software.
The Velocity application allows us to simplify the end user experience for all 6 different WM platforms. Thanks to this application, we've identified a number of additional opportunities that we look to enable here in the future.